Okay, today I want to talk about titration. Here's the problem setup. If I prepare DI water and then I adjust pH to 3.0 by adding acid. This acid could be nitric acid or hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. There could be any kind of them. And there's a possibility I might overshoot the pH adjustment and it will lower than I take the water and I want to lower to 3.0, but I overshoot it to 2.5, for example. So I need to add NaOH in. So in this water, when I bring it to you, you know that pH 3.0, but inside they already have a lot of sodium, maybe chloride, nitrate, or sulfuric acid. You have no idea what is it. My question for you is that if I ask you to do the titration, it means that I ask you to add NaOH into this solution, and this X, depends on, could be 10 to minus 7, 10 to minus 6, etc. And I ask you, what is the pH after that NaOH has been added? So to begin with, let's use a proton condition, total H condition to write this, to set up this problem. So for the total H, you have reference and plus 1, minus 1. So we have water here, OH here, right? So look like just like this, because all the sodium, chloride, maybe nitrate, sulfuric acid, all sit on the reference. So we don't care about it. But how do we write the total H in? So the total H in is just like this. So when I give you this water, I know that it's pH 3. So it means that pH, the total H in will be just H plus minus OH minus. So how much we put in? The total H in will be, because we know that at the beginning is 3.0, so I know that H plus 3.0. And at the same time, the OH is how much? 10 to minus 11 because pH 3. And also, I add X more, so NaOH in. So this is from NaOH. This 2 is from the initial solution. So it means that the total H in will be, and this total H in has to be equal to total H equilibrium, right? So basically, you let total H in equal to total H equilibrium. Then you got, so you can move X on one side. Then you have 10 to minus 3 minus 10 to minus 11 minus H plus OH minus. So now, you can go to the Excel. You can go to the Excel, and then you have a one column is pH 3, 3.1, 3.2, etc. And then you can have H plus, so that would be 10 to minus 3, 10 to minus 3, 3.1, etc. And then you have OH, that would be KW divided by H plus, right? And then you can find X here. Just put this equation here, okay? Then you find the relationship between the pH and the X. And hopefully, if you draw it, you will get that this is X more NaOH, and this is the pH, and you will go from 3, then you show up like this. So this will be 3, maybe 7, 11 or something. Okay.